Oh, now I know why the pink. You dye your hair.
I did.
That's why I'm like, how come they look more pink than the other one? Now it makes sense.
I just told you.
Okay, so this is what we gonna do. The next set, we gonna take them off. I want them a little curved.
We can change into curve tip.
Yeah.
Boom, right here. But the curve tip is not that long.
Oh, yeah,
but then you have to
it.
grow them. You see, look, the curve tip gonna make you like.
Oh, no,
you see what I'm saying, boo?
Yeah, no.
It's gonna cut you like almost half an inch.
Okay, so don't leave.
So you just have to go and grow your natural out.
Okay.
But like I said, there is a solution that you put it naturally on top up here in like a month. Dude, it will eliminate all of this. It will eliminate all this.
So let me tell you what my little secret is.
What's your secret?
I've been using like a nail fungi to get rid of the
Good.
skin. The skin, and it automatic that funk. The little.
So do you put it under here? Did it work? You think?
Yeah, it
Okay.
did. Look,
How long have
look
you
at
been
this
using
one.
it?
Look, I just started using when I moved down here.
I'm proud of you. Continue on. We'll keep it on for another time, okay?
Okay.
But like if this like for example, if this nail continue to grow like that out to here, I don't want you to have long nail and looking like that on the bottom.
That's why I'm using the fungi.
Do the fungi for now. Within a month, we'll come back. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna make sure we follow through. Girl, don't worry about your car, because if somebody jack your car, I will hurt them so badly. I will Jackie Chan their ass up. Don't worry.
This is what they doing. If you take that, it's gonna be. That's not my car. That's the Sonny.
It don't matter. Dasani, Pepsi, Coca-Cola.
He said he don't care. It's the Sonny, Pepsi, Coca-Cola.
I will hurt somebody if they jack Auntie's car.
Yeah, that's the Sonny's.
I will go Bruce Lee on their ass.
But I'm finna get this Range Rover.
Oh, Quincy's like laughing over there or something.
Dying,
Is he like having a good time or something?
He just like to hear this entertainment. This is him. He likes to be
This
entertained.
is me all day.
But it's getting better.
It is.
Thicker
It
than
is.
this.
It was thicker than this, and it was color. It was like a yellowish color, but now this is more like the healthy side coming out.
Right.
The top still look good. I don't care.
Yeah, dude.
Let's get it. Yeah, she good. She take her time.
Yeah, she do. But I gotta get one of them
But-
sand. I gotta go on your TikTok thing and
Get what?
one of them sanders for my
For your house?
Yeah. Exactly.
I got you, girl.
I seen it, but I was at work because I was on a.
Don't worry about it. You got the VIP. You grandfathered into this, man. You grandfathered into this.
I seen it pop up because you was talking to
Somebody, huh?
Your friend.
Your
the
friend.
One in Houston.
Oh, yeah.
And y'all was talking, and then I went down to the TikTok. No. I take that back. Yeah, I was looking at that, but then I seen you doing one that you was sanding your own feet. And I seen that I seen all that sand. I said, oh, yep, I need that. Even though I wear a lot of tennis shoes.
Oh, yeah, you do. But it's okay. It's good to have it at home.
Yeah.
Because you never know when you need that fast quickie.
Right, and then I might want to, the summer coming.
Yep.
Because I normally keep my feet covered for the winter and fall.
No.
But I kind of like open
Now,
up.
don't you feel like VIP? Look at you got 2 people working on your nail. Let me give her some love. Look at that. 2 people working on her nail.
And she my nail and
And
she's my pedicure tech.
Yeah, she's a pedicure tech for Auntie too.
Is she?
I love your toe, girl. You got nice ass clean toes. To me, that hella important.
Yeah.
Cause I like to suck on toes.
Oh Lord.
Why you gotta say oh Lord like that? You know Lord don't be sucking on no toes. You know it's funny. I hate how humans get so in denial about these stuff. Just admit it. Y'all like it when guys get.
I don't.
You don't like a little rub on your toe?
When Quincy kissed my feet, I had to push my feet back.
Cause you shy.
Yeah.
He need to make you more comfortable. Then he need to stop kissing it. He just need a lick on it.
He did that too.
Cause my wife did not like none of that. But now, if I don't do it, she said, "Who you be sucking toes on? Why you haven't sucked on my toe?" I said, "Baby, you need to shut your mouth. You need to keep that Lord. You need to keep the Lord in your mouth and stop calling me a toe sucker. My client don't need people to know that about the Thai life."
No, he do. He just kissed my feet.
I don't suck on my wife's toe.
But
That's
you will kiss
disgusting.
her feet though.
Yeah, doing the good. Girl, if I love you, I kiss everyone on your body. Let's be real.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, darling. Hi, darling. I'm looking at that blonde person.
Oh, Lord. Girl, why you gotta say it like that? I thought you talking about your man. I was like, here.
Switch up. So.
They did well. My daughter got first place on one of her performance. Yep, she's the wild one.
And guess what? She a Libra.
Yes, she is.
So she gonna do it to perfection.
Yes, she is.
She don't believe in losing. She believe in then giving her 100%.
Yes, she does. Oh, them Virgos are scary. They know how to manipulate you with their looks.
I'm saying.
They know how to manipulate you with the looks. Them Virgos, they got that cute nasty smile.
Bossy.
They got that cute nasty smile.
They're bossy.
They're promiscuous,
They're bossy.
which I like.
They're bossy.
Yes, they are, and I like that too.
I don't.
Tell me what to do, girl. Let me bend over. Isn't it funny how picking a design is like so hard?
Yeah.
But
But
you-
I'm picky like that though. I'm real picky. And I shouldn't be like that, but I am.
It's all right.
No, it's not okay.
You
'cause I
deserve
like
to look
that.
good. You deserve to be whatever you want. You only live once.
Mama.
I used to date a girl. I do whatever it takes to tell her all the good stuff. She wouldn't listen. Come to find out, she was deaf. Can't even hear what I say from the day one. I was talking to myself for almost 3 months, girl. Thought I was helping her. She keep not.
This man is crazy. He said he was dating a girl for 3 months. And he said she wasn't listening to nothing he was saying. Then he gonna say, come to find out she was deaf. So I've been No.
He bad to the bone.
No.
He bad.
He's he's
Cause
October baby.
he's smart.
Is he the October baby?
He is the April baby.
Oh, he's an Aries.
He's an Aries.
He's an Aries.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's Cameron,
Who's Cameron?
my cousin.
What's an Aries? Tell me.
Aries, they're an air sign.
They're like
They
professionals.
try to suck the life out you.
Amen.
Try to
Amen.
suck the life out you. Ms. Lee. So yeah, he's like that. So you have to like not. You kind of like
Like he.
you can't let him control the situation.
Yeah.
If it's a volatile situation, you can't let him do that. You
Right.
gotta talk him
Right.
into a level
You are so
situation.
right about this.
You got to talk to him in a level situation so he won't. I don't have no problem with that. But when you tell me you gonna do something, then do something. Because I'm
Right.
a woman of my word. And
Right.
I expect the same respect in return.
Amen. Me, I'm easy to say no, girl. My mom taught me to say no. My mom is brutal, bro. I would hate to go to the fair with my mama. She would make you to the fair, make it sound like she took you to the fair, but she didn't let you do one damn
You
thing.
looking at the ride and shit.
She's like, you like that ride, honey? I was like, you want to go? I was like, yeah, I do. But that's too scary for you. Why you being the judge of that? The man with the broken, eyeballs telling me that he okay with me riding it. But that's my mom right there.
He said the man with the broken eyeball.
Here we go. This is our result. Oh my God, look at the design. Oh yeah. And then the glitter, the wave. Oh, ooh, Lord, that's nice. You fancy thing. That gold and that swirly.